What's the meaning of corroborative? Corroborative. Corroborative.
Corroborative. Corroborative. The term corroborative refers to something that provides supporting evidence or confirmation of a particular claim or assertion. When evidence is corroborative, it helps to strengthen the argument being made and gives additional weight to the claim. This can be particularly important in legal proceedings, where the need for objective and verifiable evidence is critical. Overall, the use of corroborative evidence helps to build a more complete and convincing picture of the truth, making it an essential tool for anyone seeking to establish the facts of a matter.